Hello students, I am Sanjay Mate, Assistant Professor at ISMR, Nigri, Pune. In this video, we are going to see operators. After that, we are going to see the precedence and associativity of operators. At the last, we are going to see strings and methods. So first of all, arithmetic operators. So there are plus, minus, star used for multiplication, double star is used for exponent. So we can find out 2 raised to 5 or 3 raised to 6. So that type of thing you can find out using this exponential. You can have slash, then modulo. Modulo is used for finding out the remainder. Then you are having the increment and decrement operator. So these operators we can use for arithmetic operations with the numbers. Yeah, you can use plus for concatenating two strings also. Next is assignment operators. So these operators are used with equal to. So there is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, modulo equal to, and that is exponent equal to. So whatever the arithmetic operators we are having, along with this we are using here equal to. So here is the example I have shown you. X plus is equal to y means what? X is equal to x plus y, that type of thing. It's quite easy to use. Next is comparison operator. These comparison operators are generally used for conditions or if or while or for loop. In that we are going to use these comparison operators. Double equal to is used for checking the values, and triple equal to is used for checking the value and the data type. Not equal to, that in the, again the not, double equal to, then greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and the last ternary operator. This is all operators we are already seeing in the C++. Type of operators and instance of. So type of operator returns the type of the data type of that particular variable. If the variable is number or the variable is containing the number value, it will return number. If the variable is containing the string value, it will return string. If the variable is containing the objects, then it will return the object. That type of thing means it will identify, you can identify what type of value it is containing. And the instance of is used for the objects. It will return the name of that particular class from which that particular object is created. So you can find out the type of object, you can find out the type of data type or type of value present in that particular variable. Logical operators. So here you are having 3 logical operators. If both conditions is true, then this particular condition or that particular AND will be used. And I want one or this or this. In that case, you can use OR. Then the last, there is negation operator, that is not. Bitwise operators. In the JavaScript, there are 32 bitwise operators or 32-bit numbers. It is working on 32-bit numbers. So and or, that is single and, single or, that is not, XOR, then left shift, then right shift, then the 0 field right shift. It will field 0. So here I have given the example also for explanation purpose. Then precedence and associativity. So it is required about which operator is having highest precedence or which operator is having highest priority. Means which operator, if there is an expression, and from that expression, which particular operation is performed first. That depends upon this precedence. So highest priority is given for the brackets. Then you are having dot. Then the rectangular bracket, new, and functions. After that, plus, plus, minus, minus, then negations, then prefix increment, prefix decrement, then type of, then void, then delete, multiplication, then division, remainder, that is modulos, then plus. The plus is a lower priority than these three star, slash, or modulars. And then left shift, right shift, then bitwise operators and all that things. So please see here, there is associativity also. Left to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, like this. If the operators of the same priority is present in the particular expression, in that case, we are going to use this associativity, whether it should be executed. If it is a left to right, then whatever the come first, that will be executed or evaluated. So equality, not equal, triple equal to, that is strictly equality, then bitwise and or, then logical, means bitwise is having more priority than the logical. Logical and or, then conditional, that is ternary operator, and then we are having the assignment operators, that is from right to left. Then at the last we are having the comma operator, thus the priority of the comma is lowest in all operators. After that, we are going to see the strings. So how to create the string? So for creating the string, it's quite easy. So you can use double quotes or you can use single quotes. You can write double in the double quote here, where car name is equal to, I'm writing in double quotes, like I-20. So this is what you're using or creating the string literal by including in double quotes. You can have the single quote also, both are same. So car name 1, that is double quote, single quote, like I-20. So you can have, here are the 3 examples I have taken. It's correct. So my name is Manoj. So Manoj I am including in single quotes, and whole string I am including in the double quotes. I can do like this also. I'm including whole string in a single quote and Manoj in double quotes. That is also possible. So if I want to find out the length of any string, so I can use one property, that is a string dot length. So it will provide you the length of that particular string. Yeah. Suppose I want to include double quotes within the string, and that string is if containing or enclosed in the double quotes. So in that case, so you can use here escape sequence character. See here, I am having one string. So if I am having the string, I have to include that in double quotes. So here I have written double quotes, and here I have included double quotes. Okay, but within that string, I want one name or I want one word which should be enclosed in again double quotes. So this is not correct or valid for JavaScript. So for this purpose, we need to have this particular slash, that is escape sequence. If we are writing slash double quotes, then it will be valid. Because the JavaScript will treat this starting point of string and it will ending here. So it doesn't come to know where it ends. Actually, you want end here. So for that, you need to tell the JavaScript interpreter that this is not the terminating double quotes, it is in between. So therefore that you can use this escape sequence, that is slash. Normally JavaScript are primitive values created from the literals. So here we have creating the literals, name one, well it is literal, and you can create the string using the new also. So here variable name one is equal to new, and here you are adding string, here you're using the new operator, and then you are using one constructor, and then you are providing the default value for that. So this is also one way of creating the string, but this is what the string object, and this is what the string primitive data type. So there is a difference. Here you are having many more data members or member functions for the purpose. And here the memory is allotted, and then you can delete that memory also. So for that we are having these things. So we are going to see this objects in detail afterward. So here you can compare the two strings. So here a variable Manoj, and B is also having the Manoj. So in the both the value is Manoj. In A also the value is Manoj. In the B also the value is Manoj. So you can compare A is equal to B. Now it returns true because values are same. But if I'm creating one variable with the literal and one variable using the string constructor, right? So in that case, I'm not able to compare these two things. Yeah, it is containing the same values. Still, I'm not able to compare that. So if I'm writing A triple equal to B, in this case, this is a literal. In this case, it is an object. So it is false. Objects cannot be compared. So objects cannot be compared because both objects are residing in different memory locations. So you cannot compare the objects. Here you can have some functions which are related to the string. So first one is, there are many functions, but here I'm mentioning few functions. So first one is index of. So index of is used to finding out the particular word from the string. So suppose here I want to find out the locate from the string. So in this, the locate is present at this position. So if I want to find out that, so here I can have str, that is string, dot index of, and what I want to find, please enclose that in double quotes in the bracket. So it will return 7. Because how? Because here it will start, string always starts with 0. So it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th position is a locate is there. Now in this case there are two locate, but it will first occurrence. It will give you the first occurrence. That is, first locate word is present at the 7th position. So it is returning 7. Same way we can have the last index of. So we can find out from the last also. So I want to find out the locate from the last. So this is the locate. So in that case, I can have one function called as last index of. Now it will return the 21 because it will give the index of that first last position of that locate. So here, suppose here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. The position of this L is at 21. So it is giving the value 21. So last index of. Both index of and last index of returns -1 if that particular word is not present in that particular string. So in that case, it will return the -1. So here I'm providing the second parameter to the index of, that is 15. So what do you mean by this? The meaning of this is what? Start searching from the position 15, or start searching this word from the location 15. Means what? I am skipping certain words and then I want to search it. So in that case, it will start from, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So from this R, it will start searching the particular locate. So that is what it is. So you can use 15, that is last index of, and then you can have your locate and 15. So it will search from the back also. So that is also the possible. Search. So search will return the particular position of that particular string. Extracting string parts. So you can find out, you can get the particular part from the string using slice, substring, and substr. So these are the three functions which are used. In slice, you are having starting index and end index. In substring also, you are having starting index and end index. And in substring, you are having starting index and length. So that is the difference. Again, here you can have, I will tell you that afterward. Then Yes, how to use slice. Now here the str is apple, banana and kiwi. Those three fruits I have enclosed in one string. And here I want the result is equal to str.slice. So from 7th position to 13th position, whatever the characters are there, please return me. So from 7th position is now B, and up to 13th position, that is 13th position is comma. So before 13, that is A. So it will return banana. Always remember that the 13th position is excluded from the string. So please remember that. So it will return the banana. So from 7th, that is 7th position is B, and the 13th position is comma. So it will read B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, like this. Yeah, now this is a little bit interesting. Now I want str.slice -12 -6. Yes, what is the output? So what it returns? So in this case, -12 means what? Please count from the back. Minus means it is telling you to please count from back. This is 1. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. So -12 is nothing but B. And up to -6. -6 means what? Again, counted. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this is what the banana. Again, it will return the again banana. That is, please count from the from back. If you omit the second parameter, if I will omit this, so it will print or it will take whole string. Please remember. So here I have result is equal to str.slice7. So it will print from 7 to whole. So from the 7, it will print banana and kiwi, both in this case. And if I will write variable, res is equal to str.slice -12. Only I am writing now -12. So what it prints? So in this case, -12 is the position is this one. So it will print banana and kiwi in this case also. Substring is similar to the slice. Now substring and slice both are same, but in this substring you are not having the negative values. No index, negative index. So here in the slice we can use -12, -3, but in the substring we are not going to use. Here we are only providing the positive indexes. This is starting index and this is the ending index. So here I can have str substring from 7th index to 13th index, give me the word or give me the particular string. So you can use that substring. Yes, one more is a sub-str. So substring and sub-str is a little bit similar, but in sub-str, here we are providing the second parameter as a length, not the index. That is very important thing. So here you are having apple, banana, kiwi, str, sub-str, 7. Now start from the 7. And here you are not providing the 6 as an index. Here I am providing the length. Means what? From the 7th character, give me the 6 characters. So from the 7th, that is from B, give 6 characters. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So it will return the banana. So that is what the case. So here you are providing the length, and here you are providing from where. If you omit the second parameter, now I am omitting this particular 6. The substitute slice out the rest of this. You will get whole string, that is from B to kiwi. So in this case, sub-str. So you in this particular 7. So in that case, you will get banana and kiwi both. Yeah. Now in str here, you are not having the 2 parameters. So here you are providing only starting for that is -4. So what it prints? So in this case, -4 means what? Please go from the left. That is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So it will print kiwi. So you can have the replace function. So replace function can be used for replacing the particular word in that particular string. So here I am saying, please visit Google. I want to replace this Google with the ICMR. So here I am writing str.replace, that is which string I want to replace from what, that is ICMR. So that particular, in place of this Google, the ICMR will be replaced. Yeah, this is also one thing that it may happen that in this string, the Google is in small case and you are, or in the capital case, and you are providing in small case, that is the case matters. So for that, for avoiding that particular thing, so you can have this /I, that is this regular expression. So here I am in slash and here slash and I means what? Insensitive. So whether it is capital or whether it is small, that all Google will be replaced by this IICML. So no need to bother about the sensitivity of the case. So for that you need to use this /I, that is a regular expressions. To replace all the matches, use regular expression with just now global match. So if I want to replace whole in the document, I want to replace Google with the ISCMRC. So in that case, you can have /z and then ISCMR. So it will replace all the Google with the ISCMR. Yes, these are some simple functions which are used to upper, to lower, and concat. So to upper will convert your string to the uppercase, that is text, that is a variable name in which the string is there, dot to upper function. Same way, variable name with to lower. So it will convert the string to the lower. So yeah, if I want to concatenate two strings, I want to combine two strings, I want to merge two things. In that case, you can go for text1 hello, text2 world, and I want hello world. So you can have text1 concat text2. So here you are providing the space. So in this case, you've got text1, then the space will be there, and then text2 will come. So and that particular string will be stored in text tree. No original strings are modified. So here text1 will not be modified. The strings remain same. Yeah. Trim, pad start, pad end. The trim is used for removing the white spaces before the string. So you are having trim. So it will remove the white spaces present in the string, even though the white spaces are in the front or at the last. Both are removed using this trim. Next is str. This is double string with the 5. Now this is an integer, right? And you are enclosed in this particular, you have created the string. Yes, now here I want to add zeros. So you can have pad star. So the length of string should be 4 and pad or add additional zeros if the space left. So here you are having only one digit and here you are having 4 digits. So here you can add 3 more digits to that, with 0, 0, 5, like this. So you can add at the start, you can add at the last also. So again, the 4-digit number I want. So here is only one digit, that is 5. So additional and you can add zeros. So you can provide here zeros, it will be added. So this is all about print, pad start and pad end. Yes. Now, if you want to extract the characters from here, in the previous slides, we have seen how to extract the word. So in this case, we can able to extract particular character from the string. So for that, there are 2-3 functions. First one is character at. So str.character at and provide the position or provide the index. So here I'm providing 0. 0 is nothing but the h. So it will return h to me. If you want the ASCII code of that particular character, so you can have the char code at and then provide the index. So that particular 72 will be returned. So the ASCII code of this H is 72. Yes, one more. You can access this particular H with the array representation also. So here I am writing str of 0. So it will return H. So these are the 3 ways you can get particular character from that string by providing, if you know the index, so you will get that. At the last, now if you want to convert the string to array, yes, I'm having one string a, comma b, comma c, comma d, comma e, comma f. Yes, I want to convert this string to the array, or I want to store the string into the array. I want to access one by one character. So in that case, what you can use the split function, str.split. So here you want to store a in a of 0, b in a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, like this. So you want to separate this string with the comma. So here provide the comma. So due to this, what will happen? So all these strings, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 will be stored. This is what the thing. Yes. Now, if I will not provide anything in this, what will happen? See here. So in this case, this whole a, comma b, comma c, comma d, all this whole string will be stored in a of 0. That is what the thing. And at the next is str.split double quotes. Here you are not provided anything. So here double quotes. So in this case, a of 0 will store a of 1 will have comma, a of 2 will have b, a of 3 will again have comma, then c, then comma, then d, then comma. Means what? A is also stored and comma is also stored. So in one index a is stored and second index comma is stored. So this is what the use of split. Okay, thank you. In the next video we are going to see the arrays. So today we'll stop here.